Good morning, everybody. It's Mike Whiteside with Black Dog Salvage, and I'm here at Lift Arc Studios early in the morning. And Tay has just received his 5x10 table plasma cutter, right, Tay? Plasma cutter. So this is like a Christmas for him. This is an early morning dog episode.
Yeah, good morning. Wakey, time for plasma.
So this is like Christmas morning here for these guys.
Conception.
Yeah, they.
You guys should watch the Daily Dog.
Yeah, look at here. We can even film
You
it.
guys should watch Lift Arc on YouTube.
There you go. A little connectivity here to social media. But anyway, early morning here. We had to come out and get it was waiting for us at 7 o'clock. Look at there. The unwrapping is done. It looks just like Christmas morning over here, doesn't it? With all the wrappings on the floor.
Yeah,
you know.
Just tear through
I'm
it.
still in my pajamas.
Yeah. That's kind of sad, Steve.
Steve sleeps in his work.
Yeah, I get what you say. So, Tay, real quick, just I'm gonna take off. But tell them what you got here.
Okay, so this is a 5x10 plasma, CNC plasma table made by the good folks at Shop Saver in Minnesota. It has a Hypertherm 85 plasma table. Basically, I can cut up to 1-inch steel with robots. So you can design parts in a CAD-like software and then send it to the machine. It cuts it out, and then you have it.
It only cuts 1D, not 3D.
Correct.
Obviously.
This is all flat, plain stuff. So
Right.
brackets and art and signage and
All right.
anything you need.
And it's
So
just metal, not wood. I mean,
metal, but aluminum, steel,
Right.
anything. I
Okay.
think even copper and stuff.
All right, so everybody, Lift Arc Studios, these guys are ready to go. This thing needs to start making some money.
Right.
So where do they find you, Tay?
LiftArcStudios.com, Facebook, Lift Arc Studios, YouTube. It's all just Google it.
Just get
It's
in
all
there. He's there.
Yeah.
All right. So
Thanks,
everybody,
guys.
peace, everybody. Y'all have a good morning. And I'll come back when this thing's fired up and making sparks.
Yeah.
All right.
I got some unboxing to do.
All right, see ya. All right, thanks everybody. Have a good morning. Hope everybody's keeping their head down for this storm that's coming. Zeta. All right, be good yourself. See you next time we get around.